Forno Appliances introduces you to the refrigerator freezer model 1722-28LS. Designed with a sleek, modern style that will fully integrate into the surrounding cabinetry. Thick, pro-style door handles blend into many kitchen designs. The 4-door bins offers organized storage and space. Inside, 3 glass shelves with silver trims helps keep food on display. The 3 see-through drawers offers quick and easy access. Each drawer is also removable. The multi-airflow capabilities ensures your food stays fresh every time while maintaining precise temperatures. LED lighting provides even and consistent illumination throughout the refrigerator or freezer. Effortlessly transition between refrigerator and freezer modes with the touch of a button. The display control unit offers a number of functions: door alarm, energy-saving mode, freezer-fridge conversion, super freeze, and super cool. With a storage capacity of 13.6 cubic feet, this refrigerator to freezer features a modern stainless steel trim, an impressive large storage capacity that is easily customizable for refrigerator or freezer operation, offers an extra touch of elegance with a supplementary set of stainless steel and antique brass handle to complement most kitchens. We stand behind each appliance we design and manufacture with an industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty. Forno, lowering the cost of living.